Hey everyone, today we are going to be talking about HTML and CSS, and I will be doing some demonstrations of editing both of them. To start off, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. Here on this website called CodePen, I have forked what is known as a pen, which is a collection of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that also displays what the elements would look like on a website if the website was actually made with these elements. So here we have our picture of Thanos, his name, and his description. Say we want to change all of this, though, to be someone else, like, say, Tony Stark, for instance. Well, first we would have to go here to the picture and remove the old link, and you'll see the picture will disappear. There we go. Then we have to go to Google Images and find our picture of Tony Stark. So here we've got our image, and then all we have to do is copy the image location, and then go back to here, and then paste that in, and it should appear. There we go. So then we'll want to change the name as well to be the proper name. So we'll type that in there, and there we go, it updated. Then we'll change the description as well. There. So now it's updated properly, so it now reflects Tony Stark. So moving on from that, we will go into the CSS section, where I can change the color of the background, for instance. So if I change this to, say, be red, you'll see the background is red now. Or I could just change it to be yellow. Then it turns to yellow. And then we can also change the color of the text as well. So say we want that to be red. There we go, change to red. And then I can also remove this line right here, and it will get rid of the sort of circular effect of the profile picture. See, now it's a square instead of a oval shape, and then if I paste that back in, it'll change right back. So what makes all this significant, though, is that it can be done to any website on your client-side view of the web page. So what do I mean by that? Well, if we go here to this article that I have on ABC, you'll see it talks about a recent attack on a Saudi oil facility. Well, what you can do is right-click and then click Inspect Element. Then you'll see it's highlighting all of the elements as I scroll over them. That's a nice feature of Firefox. But we can change the text here to be something different. We can change it to, say, dude gets arrested for sabotaging. I hope I spelled that right. Then facility. Then if we hit enter, there you go. Dude gets arrested for sabotaging facility. How dare he? So you can change basically any element, though, on this web page to be something completely different. I can even change that picture to be some meme or whatever. Of course, this doesn't change the website for everyone that views it, but it just changes it for you specifically. So if I refresh here, then you'll see it goes away and it turns back to normal. I scroll back down. There we go. But it will change for you specifically, so if you want to mess with people, you can change the article and then take a screenshot and send it to them. That's always a fun joke to do. But this is why I like CodePen, though, because it is sort of a sandbox for web development, and it helps users learn more about the elements behind websites. So that's all I've got for today. I'll leave a link in the description below to CodePen's website, and thank you for watching.